Hello and welcome to the CSCAD tutorial videos. My name is Sergey and today we're going to speak about several topics in one video. We're going to speak about logging, reports, settings wizard and licensing mode. Let's roll! It won't take long to tell you about every topic, so I decided to include them in one video, okay? Now let's go to the admin panel. All of them reside at settings, logging, reports, settings wizard and licensing mode. First, let's talk about logging. As you can see, we have lots of checkboxes here. These checkboxes determines what events must be saved as log files. By the way, the log files of your store can be found in administration, logs. Here we are. Now I have only 4 logs. Here we have all the information about events that is happening and happened in your store. For example, here we have information about the user session. Here we have 3 logs about admin session and so on. We have information about any changes here. Orders, I don't know, options, changes in settings, logins, I don't know, some reports and so on. If you don't want some information to be saved as logs, just go here and disable some of the checkboxes. That's it about it. Let's move on. Here we have only format of time intervals for the reports. What is it for? These settings are related to this page, sales reports. Let me show you. This is the reports page. Here you can analyze the data about sales, about customers, shippings and so on. For example, you have top 10 customers here, top 10 categories, well, charts, looks nice, doesn't it? Okay, top 10 products, payment methods and just order reports. Okay, let me show you how the settings work here. For example, I'm not satisfied with the month visualization and I want it to look like this. I want a year near the month. Okay, now I'm gonna save it and then back to the reports page. Alright, here we have months. I'm gonna refresh the page and as you can see, months became just like we set it up before. January and 2016, February and 2016. So the month, the year. Alright, that's it about it. Let's move on. Settings wizard. Settings wizard is a recap of all the previous settings. So you just set up the first page, then you click next step, and so on until you finish. That's it about it. Also, you can set up your add-ons here if you wish. And the last one here is the licensing mode. In one of my previous videos, I already told you about licensing mode. We have 2 modes here, full and trial. Full requires a licensed copy of CSCAD and gives you an unrestricted access to all features. Trial mode doesn't require a licensed copy, but lasts only for 30 days. By the way, in trial mode you also have a full access to all features. That's all what I wanted to tell you about CSCAD settings. Thanks for watching and see you in the next CSCAD tutorial videos.